So this one is like big scarf. It will take 1 year. These are all the traditional designs. You can see this. This is the paisley design. You can see this, the paisley.
This is a chai guan, which is Chinese people like to take a tea. They put some curves and throw the water, which is a drainage here. Then you have to watch the Chinese cultural items. Then you have to make like these kind of things. And this is very good, I think, for Chinese people. They like it.